In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Zoom account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to permanently remove your Zoom account. We'll do this from the Zoom web portal in a browser, not the desktop app, so sign in at zoom.us with the account you want to delete. Keep in mind, deleting an account is permanent. It removes access to meetings, contacts, and any associated content. If there's anything you might need later, consider downloading it before you proceed. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of the page for the navigation panel. Find the section labeled Admin. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it, or click the menu icon to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Clicking Admin opens the administrative controls you'll use to manage the account as a whole. Within that admin area, select Account Management. This is the hub for global settings and ownership options. It's different from personal settings you might see in other menus. Account Management controls the higher-level details of the entire account. From there, open Account Profile. This page summarizes your account's core information and is where Zoom places the option to close the account entirely. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one. On the Account Profile page, look for the option called Terminate My Account and click it. Zoom will warn you that this is a permanent action. Read the prompt carefully. If your account is part of an organization or you're not the owner or admin, you might not see this option. In that case, you'll need the appropriate permissions before you can proceed. After you choose to terminate, Zoom will send a verification code to the email address associated with the account you're deleting. Go to your inbox, open the message from Zoom, and copy the code. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you're checking the correct email address tied to the account. Return to the Zoom page, paste the code into the verification box, and then click Delete to confirm. Codes can expire, so enter it promptly and double-check you haven't added extra spaces. Once you confirm, the account will be deleted and you'll be signed out. That's it. If you didn't see the admin section or the terminate option, you likely don't have the necessary role on the account. In that case, contact your account owner or administrator for access. Thanks for watching and take care.